we've covered a lot in the first two videos, and we haven't really gotten into the nuts and bolts of which buttons do I push and how do I get data to look like this and how do I set up my workspace versus setting up my layout view that allows me to kind of set up the final map and add a north arrow and legends and all of these other features. Well, we're going to go ahead and start giving you the tools now. And what I mean by that is that Esri maintains a phenomenal library of resources. And so I'm going to go ahead and just jump over to Esri Training. And so you can get there, esri.com/training/. What it's going to do is it's going to jump into an environment here where you can actually come in and look. And I'd encourage you to come in and you can explore this for yourself. And this is certainly a place where if you want, you can invest your own money and pay for trainings. But you can also look at some of the trainings that are free because of our Purdue subscription. So make sure that you are signed in as well during this process. And so I'm signed into ArcGIS Online elsewhere, and so it allowed me to just go ahead and jump in here. And what that does is that once I'm signed in, it will actually come in and it will show me all of the different courses that are available to me. And, you know, a particular note are these ones that are free. And that don't have dollar signs underneath them, because for me that's what I'm aiming for, is free, usable. But really what we're after here today is how do we use ArcGIS Pro? And so I want you to go ahead and type that in, and we're going to go ahead and jump into this. You can certainly explore it, and there's really a couple different ways that you could progress in, you know, learning this. And one of them is that if you spend a lot of time in ArcMap while you're out on co-op, that's fantastic. Here is a series of trainings that will allow you to go from ArcGIS or from ArcMap to ArcGIS Pro and making that transition. But I bet most of us are still at this place, ArcGIS Pro Basics. This is a 50-minute class, and I'm going to ask each one of you to go ahead and complete this class. And in the assignment sheet, we'll have a couple of notes where I want you to go ahead and record and reflect on the information that this training has provided you. And so I'm going to go ahead and stop this video here and tell you welcome to the Esri Academy and welcome to ArcGIS Pro Basics.